In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostgator's cPanel efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a website for personal use or business, Hostgator's cPanel provides a user-friendly interface to help you handle various aspects of hosting. So let's dive in and get you started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostgator website. This is your first step in gaining access to a comprehensive suite of hosting tools. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. At the top right corner, you'll notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it to be directed to the login page. Now, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but in this tutorial, we will assume you already have this set up. Enter your login credentials to access your Hostgator dashboard. Once logged in, you're going to see the Hostgator home. This is essentially your control center for all things related to your account and hosting services. Next up, direct your attention to the panel on the left-hand side and click on Websites. This will open up a list of the websites you're currently hosting with Hostgator. It's a convenient way to manage multiple sites if you have them. From this list, choose the specific website you want to configure. Clicking on it will bring up a new page featuring detailed options. To continue, find the Settings link within your dashboard and click on it. This section offers a range of configuration settings for your website. You're then going to look for the Advanced option on the subsequent page. The advanced settings offer more in-depth options for customizations and site management, so it's worth spending a bit of time getting acquainted with these features. The next step involves navigating to the cPanel option. Hostgator has integrated well-known cPanel software to make managing your site's backend straightforward. Click on cPanel to be taken directly to your cPanel dashboard. In this dashboard, you have a wide array of tools at your disposal. Whether you need to set up email accounts, manage domain settings, analyze website statistics, or explore databases, everything you need is here. Take your time to explore the different categories and familiarize yourself with the available tools. And there you have it. You've now accessed your cPanel, which acts as a powerful interface for managing your website on Hostgator. Make sure to explore and get comfortable with the tools, as they can significantly enhance your web management experience. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on using Hostgator cPanel. Happy hosting!